In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll walk through a simple path that starts with a quick Google search and ends with viewing your billing history inside TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect without getting lost in menus. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. You'll see several results, but look for the official one labeled TradingView. Track all markets. Before you click, take a second to confirm the domain shows tradingview.com. That small check helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you land in the right place. Click the official TradingView result to open the homepage. Once you're there, move to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. It might look like your avatar, your initials, or a small user silhouette. If TradingView asks you to sign in at this point, go ahead and do that with your usual credentials. You need to be signed in to access account and billing areas. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Settings and Billing. This takes you to the central hub for your account preferences and subscription-related details. It's a good idea to pause here for a moment and let the page load fully so all sections appear. Inside the Settings area, find and click Billing History. This is the section that lists your past invoices and transactions associated with your TradingView plan. Here, you can typically see the dates, amounts, and plan names tied to each charge. If you're reconciling expenses, open each entry to verify the billing period and confirm it matches your own records. Many users also download receipts from this page for accounting or reimbursement, so look for a download or invoice link beside each item. If your screen looks different than expected, make sure you're on the desktop version of the site or try adjusting your browser zoom so the menu labels are visible. Also confirm you're signed into the correct TradingView account, especially if you manage more than one. And if a page doesn't load correctly, refresh or try another browser to rule out a temporary glitch. That's the full path. Search TradingView on Google, open the official site, click your profile, select Settings and Billing, then choose Billing History. Follow these clicks, and you'll always know where to find your invoices and payment records inside TradingView. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review the steps at your own pace.